Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we will check some cool max tricks of money calculations. So let's begin. First one, rule of 72 to double your money. This rule states that to find the number of years required to double your investment, you divide the growth rate into 72. For example, to find out how long it will take $10,000 to double at 9% annual growth rate, simply divide 9 into 72 and you will get 8 years. You can also do the reverse calculation to find the rate of return. For example, if you want to double your money in 5 years, divide 5 into 72 and you will get 14.4%. Number 2. Rule of 115 to triple your money. This rule is very similar to the rule of 72. You can find the number of years required to triple your investment by dividing the growth rate into 115. For example, at 11.5% annualized growth rate from any investment platform, you can triple your investment in 10 years. Number 3. The 120 minus your age rule of asset allocation. For those who are new to asset allocation, it may be hard to decide how much to put into various instruments like stocks or bonds and cash equivalents. For example, if you are a 40-year-old person, you should have 120 minus 40, that is 80% of your portfolio invested in stocks and 20% in safer items like bonds. Number 4. The 80% rule for retirement, revised. In the revised edition, we will take the 80% of your expenses before retirement. Before moving in, we have some assumptions to make. Some things cost less after your retirement. For example, your home mortgages, educational expenses of children, eating out, transportation, and income tax. And some things can cost more, like your home maintenance, utility bills, medication costs, property taxes, and car insurance. So, you need 80% of your pre-retirement expenses during your retirement to live a happy life. For example, if you are currently spending $50,000 a year to live comfortably, you will need about $40,000 in income after your retirement. Number 5. The 24-10 rule for car payment. You can put down 20% of the car's price on the purchase. This way, you are not upside down when you drive it off the lot. You can pay the car off in 4 years. Again, you do not owe more than what the car is worth. Your total household transportation expenses should not be more than 10% of your household budget. Number 6. The 50-30-20 rule for budgeting. This rule gives you a budgeting guideline as follows. 50% of your income goes towards essential expenses like your housing, food, etc. And 30% goes towards your other expenses like entertainment, cable TV, etc. And the 20% goes towards your financial goals like retirement savings, paying off debt, etc. But if you have any bad debt, the 30% should go towards that first. Sorry guys, no entertainment for you. Number 7. The 3 times rule for home price. The rule states that your home price should not be more than 3 times your annual gross household income. For example, if you earn $40,000 a year and your wife earns $60,000 a year, your household income is $100,000. This means you can afford a home that costs up to $300,000 and so on.